In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Farfetch discount code. So let's get started. So Farfetch is a website where you can buy watches and etc. And then you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, you'll have to go to Google and search up Farfetch discount code. Once that is done, you'll have to click enter. Then you'll have to scroll down until you see this website UAE.al-coupon. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so now there's gonna be many coupon codes here and deals. Okay, so the first one says Farfetch promo code $10 off, 10% off on orders above 3 of 735 dirhams. So let's say you're purchasing something above this amount, you can get a 10% off. You can just copy the code, and as it says, you can copy the code above and paste at checkout. So you can copy, and it's going to automatically take you to the website and where you can use it. So and then as you guys can see, there are many other deals here as well. So 20% off sale items. So you can just go and click activate deal, and it's going to take you to the website. All right, so there are many other options. Now let's go to some other website, and I'm going to show you a few more promo codes. Okay, so this one, 15% off in August. So I'm going to click here. Okay, so code 15% off select designer fashion. So I'm going to click on it. So if you use this code, you're gonna get a 15% off from Farfetch. And as you guys can see, 472 people used it, so it's likely that it's gonna work for you. Let's see a few more. Okay, $30 off when you spend $300 more. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. So as you guys can see, that was an offer. So you'll have to directly visit the website, and you'll automatically claim this discount whenever you spend above $300. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.